In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clipchamp's YouTube integration in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned video creator or just stepping into the world of online video editing, this quick guide will help you seamlessly connect Clipchamp with YouTube, making your video upload process smooth and efficient. First things first, let's open your favorite web browser and head over to clipchamp.com. This is where your video editing journey begins. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign in button and give that a click. If you're not already signed in with a Clipchamp account, you'll be prompted to log in. Here's a helpful tip. If you have a Microsoft account, you can click on Continue with Microsoft. This option will streamline your sign in process, linking your Clipchamp account with your Microsoft credentials for easy access. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Clipchamp homepage. This is your dashboard where all the magic happens. To kick things off, click on Create a New Video. This opens up the video editor where you'll be performing all your edits. Now, to get started with your project, click on the Import Media button. Here you can choose files from your device to bring into Clipchamp. Simply drag and drop your media files onto the timeline. It's that easy. Now that your media is on the timeline, you can start making edits. Adjust the clips as needed, trim any unnecessary sections, add transitions, text and effects to give your video a professional touch. Take your time here. A well-edited video can significantly enhance viewer engagement. Once you're happy with the edits, it's time to export your masterpiece. Find the export button and give it a click. You'll be prompted to select the quality of your video. Choose an option that best suits your needs while balancing file size and quality. After exporting, it's time to utilize Clipchamp's seamless YouTube integration. Select Upload to YouTube. Clicking this button will prompt you to connect your YouTube account to Clipchamp. You'll see an option to connect to YouTube. Follow the on-screen instructions which will guide you through the authorization process. This step is crucial as it allows Clipchamp to upload your video to your YouTube account automatically. Once connected and all necessary steps are completed, your video will start uploading to your YouTube channel. You can monitor the progress directly within Clipchamp, ensuring everything is proceeding smoothly. And there you have it, your video is now on YouTube, all set for the world to see.